Fall 2026 is bringing some interesting changes to women's fashion, and some of them are easy to miss. The biggest shifts aren't always the loudest runway pieces. They show up in colors, proportions, textures, and small styling choices that can completely change the way an outfit looks. For women over 50 and 60, that's good news. You don't need to replace your wardrobe every season. You need to recognize which details make an outfit feel fresh, then decide which ones actually suit you. Here are 10 trends worth knowing about. 1. Rich colors are taking over the fall wardrobe. Fall usually sends everyone back to black, beige, gray, and brown. This time, richer shades are making a stronger statement. Burgundy, deep blue, plum, warm red, olive, and golden tones can make a simple outfit look far more interesting. You don't need a bright red coat. Try a burgundy blouse with brown trousers. Wear a deep blue sweater with cream pants. Add a plum handbag to an otherwise neutral outfit. The easiest place to introduce stronger color is near your face. A scarf, blouse, cardigan, or jacket can instantly change the mood of an outfit. The trick is restraint. One beautiful color surrounded by neutrals often looks more sophisticated than several competing shades. If your wardrobe is mostly neutral, you may not need new clothes at all. You may simply need one unexpected color. 2. The blazer is becoming softer. The traditional stiff blazer can make an outfit feel overly formal. Softer tailoring gives you the same polish without the rigid appearance. Look for jackets with gentle shoulders, comfortable fabrics, relaxed shaping, and enough room to move. This works beautifully with jeans, straight-leg trousers, dresses, and wide-leg pants. Pay particular attention to proportion. If you're wearing wide-leg trousers, a jacket with some definition can keep the outfit from becoming too loose from top to bottom. If the jacket is relaxed, let the rest of the outfit be cleaner. You don't need fitted clothing to create shape. You need balance. A softly tailored jacket can make a basic outfit look intentional without making you look overdressed. 3. Peplum is returning in a more elegant form. If you remember peplum as a stiff little ruffle around the waist, forget that version. The newer interpretation is much cleaner. The shape can appear in blouses, jackets, knitwear, and tailored tops without looking overly decorative. For women who like waist definition without wearing tight clothing, this can be particularly flattering. Try a softly shaped peplum top with straight trousers. Or pair a structured peplum jacket with dark denim. The length matters. Choose a flare that falls at a point you feel comfortable highlighting. Keep the rest of the outfit simple. A shaped top already gives the outfit visual interest. You don't need dramatic jewelry, complicated prints, and statement shoes fighting for attention. 4. The brooch is back. This might be the easiest trend to try, because you may already own one. Brooches are moving beyond their traditional placement. Try one on the lapel of a blazer. Pin one to a cardigan. Use one to secure a scarf. Place a larger brooch on a simple coat. The beauty of this trend is that it doesn't require a shopping trip. Look through your jewelry box. That brooch you haven't worn for years may suddenly become the most interesting part of a simple outfit. The secret is placement. Don't automatically put it exactly where you have always worn it. Try something slightly unexpected. A simple black jacket can look completely different with one beautiful brooch. 5. Shorter jackets are changing proportions. Long coats and long cardigans will always be useful. Shorter jackets create a different effect. They can make your legs appear longer and give the waist more definition. This becomes particularly useful with wide-leg trousers. A long blouse, long cardigan, and wide trousers can sometimes create too much uninterrupted volume. A shorter jacket breaks that line. You don't have to choose an extremely cropped jacket. Something that finishes around the upper hip can create the same effect while remaining comfortable and sophisticated. Before buying anything, try this with clothes already in your wardrobe. Wear your usual wide trousers. Try them with a long cardigan. Then switch to a shorter jacket. Look at the difference. Sometimes the trousers weren't the problem. The proportion above them was. 6. Proportion is becoming more important. Fashion is playing with volume. Fuller trousers, oversized jackets, long coats, shorter tops, roomier sleeves. The mistake is copying all of these ideas in one outfit. If everything is oversized, your shape disappears. Instead, create contrast. Wide trousers work beautifully with a shorter or more structured top. A relaxed blouse can look polished with straight-leg trousers. A dramatic coat works best over a simple outfit. A fuller skirt can be balanced with a cleaner top. This approach makes an outfit look modern without requiring exaggerated clothing. You are not trying to make your body fit the trend. You are using the trend to improve the proportions of the clothes you already like wearing. 7. Scarves are becoming part of the outfit. A scarf doesn't have to sit neatly around your neck. Use it as a styling piece. Drape a long scarf over your shoulders. Let one end hang longer. Wrap a lightweight scarf loosely around the neck. Secure it with a brooch. Try a printed scarf with a simple monochromatic outfit. Imagine cream trousers, an ivory sweater, a camel coat, and a burgundy scarf. The clothes are simple. The scarf gives the outfit movement, color, and personality. This is especially useful if you prefer modest clothing. You can create interest around the neckline without relying on a low neckline or a complicated top. And if you already have scarves at home, experiment with them before buying another one. 8. Menswear is becoming softer. Classic shirts, tailored trousers, jackets, belts, and loafers continue to work beautifully for women. The difference comes from what you pair them with. A crisp button-down shirt can look softer with delicate jewelry. Tailored trousers can be paired with a flowing blouse. A structured jacket can be worn with a silk scarf. A classic loafer can balance a feminine dress. The combination feels sophisticated because the pieces aren't all saying the same thing. Try a pale blue shirt with chocolate trousers. Add a structured handbag and simple earrings. Or wear a white button-down with dark straight-leg jeans and a beautiful belt. The individual pieces are classic. The styling makes them feel fresh. 9. Handbags are getting more personality. A handbag can completely change an outfit. Structured shapes, interesting textures, distinctive handles, and polished finishes can make even simple clothing look more expensive. You don't need a huge logo. A beautiful shape often has more impact. If your wardrobe is mostly neutral, a burgundy or deep blue bag can add personality. If you already wear strong colors, a camel, chocolate, or black bag can create balance. Texture is another detail worth noticing.
Suede,
Woven finishes, textured leather, interesting hardware. These small details can make an everyday handbag feel special. Before buying one, ask yourself whether it works with several outfits you already own. A trend is much more useful when it fits your real wardrobe. 10. Styling is becoming more important than shopping. This is the trend I would pay the most attention to. You don't necessarily need more clothes. You need more combinations. Take a pair of navy trousers you have worn for years. Instead of replacing them, change everything around them. Wear them with a soft blue blouse. Add a burgundy handbag. Put a brooch on your jacket. Change the shoes. Add a scarf. The trousers haven't changed. The outfit has. That is the secret to a wardrobe that feels bigger without spending more money. Your clothes don't have to be new to look current. Sometimes they simply need to be worn differently. And this becomes even more valuable as you get older because you already know what works for you. You know which fabrics feel good. You know which silhouettes make you comfortable. You know which shoes you can actually walk in. You know which colors make you feel confident. That knowledge is an advantage. Use it. You don't need to follow every trend. Take the details that complement your personal style and ignore the rest. If you love neutral clothing, keep wearing it. If you prefer classic trousers, keep them. If oversized clothing doesn't suit you, don't force yourself into it. Fashion should give you options, not instructions. The goal isn't to look younger. The goal is to look current while still looking like yourself. So before you go shopping, look at your wardrobe differently. Pull out that jacket you've stopped wearing. Try it with a different trouser. Take the scarf sitting in the back of the drawer. Wear it in a new way. Find the brooch you forgot about. Try a richer color near your face. Change the proportions of an outfit. Small changes can have a surprisingly big effect. And that is what makes these trends useful. You don't have to adopt all 10. Choose one or two that genuinely suit you. Maybe it's the rich color. Maybe it's the softer blazer. Maybe it's the shorter jacket. Maybe it's the brooch. Or maybe your biggest update will simply be learning to style the clothes you already own differently. Which one would you actually wear? Tell me in the comments. And if you enjoy practical fashion advice for women over 50 and 60, subscribe to Beyond 60 Style. Because great style isn't about having the newest wardrobe. It's about knowing how to make what you have look and feel like you.